Former Dharma Productions employee Kshitij Prasad has made a very sensational claim. He has, in the court, alleged that he was tortured in custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau and is being forced to implicate top filmmaker Karan Johar in this case. Now, Kshitij Prasad is also an executive producer. He's been claiming that a cigarette butt that was perhaps recovered from his house is being projected as a drug. Kshitij Prasad will be in the custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau till the 3rd of October. On the other hand, the NCB remand copy alleges that it was Kshitij Prasad who had purchased drugs from a suspected peddler, Ankush. The NCB is also claiming that Kshitij Prasad was involved in dealing with illicit drugs and there was ganja recovered from his house during some of the raid.
Everybody here आप क्या करना चाहते हो? कौन फंसा रहा है? मिला मेरे को सब फंसाया जा रहा है मेरे को। कौन फंसा रहा है? Everybody here आप क्या करना चाहते हो? कौन फंसा रहा है? मिला मेरे को सब फंसाया जा रहा है मेरे को। कौन फंसा रहा है?
I am being framed, says Kshitij Prasad, the former employee of Dharma Production in Mumbai. Joining me now is Mustafa Sheikh. Mustafa, that's a very big claim. Now, it's just his allegation that he has been framed. He's being forced to implicate Karan Johar in the case. What are you picking up on the details?
Well, Pooja, it's a big allegation because any accused who is in the custody of the agencies never makes such allegations. But a magistrate asking whether there was a torture, whether there was harassment, it just remains a formality. But in this case, it didn't happen. So Kshitij Prasad went on to say that he was harassed, he was blackmailed. He didn't only basically was told to frame falsely his former boss like Karan Johar and other colleagues of Dharma Production. The cigarette butt which was recovered from his house was made to show as drugs recovery, as narcotics recovery. So there is a long list of allegations which he has made specifically on the Deputy Director Samir Wankhede, who is investigating and heading the investigation in this case, and said that he was humiliated in front of his other NCB colleagues, and hence all the arguments, in fact all the allegations have been made, taken on record by the magistrate before remanding him in NCB custody till 3rd of October. Back to you, Pooja.
But Mustafa, my second question is that he's still in custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau, and the Bureau sources claim that he was involved with suspected peddlers. So according to the Bureau, their defense just could be that he's trying to divert attention from the issue as well. Is he going to be one of the key links possibly that the Bureau could be pinning on, because I see the film stars are not summoned again?
Well, yes, Pooja, because the way his custody was asked for 9 days, it says that the NCB believes that there is a lot to be taken out from Kshitij Prasad, and hence his custody was sought for 9 days, but it was given to 7 days, which is still a big amount of time to investigate his entire links with Bollywood and prop up other names, if any, connected to him in Bollywood related to drugs investigation. He has been given the custody so that the investigations in the case is not hampered, and yes, on the face value, the magistrate would take on record the statements given, submissions given by of an investigating agency and not of an accused. But yes, still, it is not usual for accused who have been arrested, who are in custody, to make such wild allegations against the investigating agencies without any basis or evidence.
So perhaps this is the first time in all these weeks with the Narcotics Bureau investigators questioning that a claim has come that they are being forced to implicate Karan Johar. We'll wait for a reaction, if at all, that comes from the top filmmaker. He's, however, already distanced himself from Kshitij Prasad, who's in custody, saying he has no personal knowledge or relationship with him.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.